Approximately 57 million tons of mangoes are produced worldwide, creating more than $64 billion in income. This not only positions mangoes as a tasty delight but also as a major player in global farming and food processing sectors. Surprisingly, although mangoes come from South Asia, where they've been grown for over 4,000 years, this fruit has spread across continents and is now cultivated in more than 100 countries, including the United States. Indeed, U.S. farmers have started entering the mango production field. While the U.S. isn't a top producer yet, states such as Florida, California, and Hawaii are steadily expanding their mango farming with increasing yields annually. So, how are mangoes cultivated in the U.S., and what sets mango growing unique here? In this video, we'll examine the full journey from planting the trees to picking and finally to the plant, where fresh mangoes are turned into the sweet mango juice everyone enjoys. Let's see how modern U.S. farms yield over 100 tons of mangoes per season and deliver this tropical fruit to family tables. Let's begin. Mangoes are a crop that flourishes in tropical weather. The Portuguese brought mangoes to the Americas, from where they expanded worldwide. In the U.S., mangoes are gaining popularity. Though not a primary producing nation, states like Florida, California, and Hawaii, which have climates that aren't overly cold, have set up large-scale mango orchards. These orchards apply cutting-edge farming methods to satisfy both local and export needs. Growing and picking mangoes requires farmers to practice patience, since each mango tree needs around 3 years to reach maturity and yield its initial fruits. To produce top-quality mangoes, the key element is selecting suitable land and perfect weather conditions. Mangoes prosper in hot climates with high moisture and well-drained soil. The orchards we're reviewing. Farmers employ two primary planting approaches: seed planting and grafting. Grafting is favored because it yields superior fruits that are consistent in size and taste. After planting, mango trees demand careful attention. Farmers install drip irrigation systems to supply sufficient water, and they routinely apply fertilizers and manage pests and diseases. Mango trees can reach up to 100 feet tall and survive for over 300 years, generating up to 90 tons of mangoes each season. Mango trees usually bloom in early spring, from January to March. They rely on wind and insects for pollination. Mango flowers are delicate, and the pollen is tiny, readily transported by the breeze. Nevertheless, insect pollination, such as by bees, improves the pollination success rate. Only about 1 to 2% of the flowers in each cluster will turn into fruit. Young mango fruits require roughly 120 days to ripen into mature mangoes. Picking mangoes demands skill and precision. For shorter trees, farmers can hand-pick mangoes to prevent harming the fruit. For taller trees, they use extended poles fitted with nets to carefully bring the mangoes down without bruising them. Mango quality is evaluated directly in the field, guaranteeing that only fully ripe fruits are selected for processing. Mango picking is a detailed task that requires strong expertise and sharp observation from farmers to obtain the highest fruit quality. Farmers need thorough understanding of harvest timing, equipment used, and handling methods right in the grove to keep the fruit intact. The mango picking process includes multiple cautious stages, from assessing fruit ripeness to picking techniques and after-harvest care. Assessing mango ripeness is the vital initial step. Harvest timing affects mango quality, particularly for those meant for export or processing. Each mango variety shows distinct traits in color and firmness when ripe. Generally, farmers judge ripeness by skin color changes, moving from green to yellow or red, based on the type. Mangoes are typically picked in the early morning or late evening when temperatures are lower to prevent rapid spoilage from heat. Picking during these cooler periods also reduces strain on the trees and fruits. Thus, maintaining mango quality. For mango trees of medium-low height, farmers can harvest by hand. This is the most frequent method since it safeguards both the fruit and the tree. When picking by hand, the farmer carefully snips the mango stem at the proper spot to leave a short stem section, stopping sap from leaking and harming other fruits. For taller mango trees, farmers use long poles with nets or baskets to collect mangoes without climbing. These tools are built to protect the fruit, avoiding bruises or skin damage as it drops. This method calls for the picker to possess skill and practice to prevent fruit damage or drops from high up. During picking, mangoes are checked right in the grove to choose fruits that match ripeness criteria. Only mangoes with the right color, size, and shape are kept for further processing. Mangoes that are undersized or fail market requirements are often used for juicing or turned into products like mango jam or mango powder. This approach ensures that even imperfect fruits are used effectively, reducing waste and boosting the harvest's financial value. After harvesting, mangoes are softly placed into woven baskets, plastic bins, or padded cardboard boxes to avoid bruising during transport from the grove to the processing plant or market. This stage shields the mangoes from physical harm while moving. In the grove, mangoes may receive an initial wash to clear away dirt or debris. However, a more thorough cleaning typically takes place at the processing facility to ensure food hygiene before the mangoes are processed or packaged. This ensures that the mangoes are not only clean but also safe for consumption, maintaining high standards of food safety. With advancements in agricultural technology, many farms have started utilizing automated machinery for mango harvesting, especially on large farms or in areas with a high density of mango trees. Harvesting machines equipped with robotic arms or smart basket systems can pick fruit more quickly and efficiently, significantly reducing the time and labor required from farmers. This is particularly beneficial in large-scale operations where manual harvesting can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. After harvesting, mangoes are transported to modern processing facilities where they undergo various stages of handling to be ready for sale or export. The processing steps at the factory typically include the following. Upon arrival at the processing facility, mangoes are sorted based on size, color, and quality using smart conveyor systems and automated machinery. Each mango is scanned to detect any imperfections. Mangoes that meet the highest quality standards move forward in the processing line, while those that do not meet the criteria are repurposed for other uses, such as juice production or other mango-based products. This automated system ensures precision in grading and helps maximize the use of every mango, minimizing waste while maintaining product quality for consumers. After sorting, the mangoes are thoroughly washed using high-pressure water jets to remove dirt and bacteria. This process ensures the fruit is clean and safe for further processing. Once washed, the mangoes are air-dried to prepare them for the next steps in the production line. This careful cleaning process is essential to maintain hygiene standards, especially for mangoes that will be sold fresh or processed into consumer products. If the factory processes mangoes for export or sale to the market, the mangoes will be directly labeled to clearly identify the origin and packaged to protect the mangoes during transportation to the supermarket. For mangoes that are pre-cut or intended for frozen products, modern machinery is used to peel the fruit. After peeling, the mangoes are sliced into smaller pieces or left whole if they are being sold fresh. This process is performed quickly and accurately, ensuring minimal waste and maximizing efficiency. The use of advanced equipment ensures that each mango is handled with precision, maintaining the quality of the fruit while preparing it for packaging or further processing. For mangoes that don't meet the standards for fresh sale, they are processed into juice. The mangoes are crushed and passed through a fine mesh to remove pulp and fibers. The juice is then pasteurized to ensure food safety and preserve the fresh, natural flavor of the mango. This process transforms less than perfect mangoes into a valuable product while maintaining high quality and safety standards for consumers. Next is the process of making frozen mango. Frozen mangoes are cut into small pieces and then treated using a blanching process to preserve their color and flavor. After blanching, the mangoes are quickly frozen to lock in freshness. Once frozen, they are carefully packaged to ensure that they maintain their quality during storage and transport. This method helps preserve the mango's natural taste and nutritional value, making frozen mango products a convenient and delicious option for consumers. At every stage of the processing journey, quality control is of utmost importance. From the fields to the factory, mangoes are carefully inspected to ensure the final product meets the highest standards. Mangoes destined for export undergo even stricter inspections to meet international standards. This comprehensive quality assurance process ensures that only the best mangoes make it to market, delivering consistent quality and satisfaction to consumers around the world. In addition, mangoes are also processed into dried mangoes. In fact, factories also go through the same processes as frozen mangoes, but instead of being refrigerated, the mangoes are dried. We've explored the journey of the mango from farm to table. Every step in the production process requires precision, modern technology, and a deep respect for the fruit. Whether you're enjoying fresh mangoes, mango smoothies, or frozen mango desserts, remember the dedication of American farmers in bringing this tropical fruit to every household. What do you think about this production process? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos from us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.